Unboxing Deerma Pro Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. Inside are User Manual, 2-section head, the main body of the vacuum, and the flat surface section head. This vacuum looks like a premium or branded handheld vacuum cleaner for a cheap price. This Deerma Pro DX 810 vacuum cleaner is a handheld vacuum cleaner with strong suction power 16 kPa. 3 main function: brush, flat, surface, and round. Durable HEPA washable filter that can last for 6 to 8 months. Transparent box dust collector. Pinhole size filter holes. And weight to 0.2 kilograms. Now let's assemble and try this vacuum. Wow! Very strong suction indeed. The dust collector also looks nice because of transparent design. Easy push on off button. And you can see the stuff that vacuum suck. Now let's also try this one. Wow! This vacuum can really suck dirt very well, including the running ants. When you're done, you can set aside and clean the filter. The transparent filter is really easy to remove to take out all the dirt and to dispose it. After you wash or clean the filter, make sure it's dry, then put it back the way it is, and you can use it again. Highly recommended. You can purchase this vacuum in Lazada or Shopee app. They also offer installment plans. Check Shopee's Pay Later that offers a product installment for 1 to 12 months. And also check Lazada Last Pay Later offers too. Here's all the pieces of the vacuum. If you want one, check my description. Don't forget to follow or subscribe to my channel for more videos.